What's up, guys? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you are. My name is Joseph. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new in this channel, welcome and I thank you so much. So, guys, it's morning as usual. Lazima tuchape kazi. You have to go and hustle and make a living. At the end of the day, at the end of the month, we have to pay bills and all that. Yeah. So today I have this client. I'm taking her to a place called Athi River. It's in Kajiado County, Kenya. No. I don't know, is it Athi River in Kajiado or Machakos? For those who knows, please let me know in the comment section. So let's go, guys. Let me hurry. Yeah, it's 8 a.m. so that I don't keep the client waiting. So let's go, guys. As always, I say I'll always share my I'll always share my experience, my job experience, what I do during the day, so that you guys get to get to understand and also enjoy working with me. So let's go, guys. I hope you enjoy the video. Let's go. What's up, guys? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you are. Yeah, my name is Joseph. If you're new to this channel, welcome back to my channel. Today is on Saturday, 14th of October 2023. I brought a client somewhere here in Athi River, so I'm waiting for her she came to enroll her kid here. So this school is called Nova Pioneer. So I'm just walking around just to look around and see how this place looks like. How are you wherever you are? How is your Saturday? Yeah, so after she's done enrolling the kid from here, we are going to Langata. And this place is dry. Kitengela is dry, as in dry. Kitengela is dry. We heard that we were supposed to have El Nino 1st October this month. People were scared. Preparations were made just in case there could be floods. But so far it's still dry. No rains, no nothing, just dry. Not even a drop. But hopefully maybe it will rain soon. Let me show you around so that you can see how dry this place is. It's dry all over. guys, I just came back home. My car had an issue. My car is not very new, so such things are bound to happen. I don't know, it overheated, so I had to stop working. But luckily, I was already done with the client, so I'll just call it a day up to that point. Then tomorrow I'll go and take it to the mechanic for him to check it out. Yeah. Also, I'm thinking of actually I'm going right now so that I sort it now right now, so tomorrow waking up the car will be ready for work. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Even though the video was very short, yeah, that was just it. Yeah, and I just thank God for even the little hours that I worked. Yeah, so I'll see you tomorrow in the next video. Hopefully the car will be okay. So see you guys. Thank you so much. Continue subscribing. So continue watching my videos. Bye bye guys.